Difficult, yes. Discount, whack 5. Tactical, racing, hotel, Trivago.
Hey everyone, MotorAlli here, and to fix this problem, we've got some tactical racing gas bonnet struts, so let's get them installed right now. How?
So what's inside the package? Well, we have 2 gas bonnet struts and 2 brackets with its own washers. Use WAC 5 up here for cheeky 5% discount off the entire store of tactical racing, so you can buy yourself this at a nice little cheeky discount. And also, if you're like me and prefer a different colour to these washers, I've actually bought myself a set of new washers from eBay. So let's put these in, install it right now, let's go.
To install this, you need a 10mm socket wrench, an Allen key, a Phillip, a flat, and some trusty WD-40. On both sides of the engine bay, you have these 2 Phillip screws. Get your Phillip screwdriver and undo both of them, and the other one. Now get your flathead screwdriver and pry the remaining washer out, and the last one. Now just take this whole panel off. Now spray this bolt with some WD-40. Undo this bolt with a 10mm. The original bolt will go here, and the included one will go here. Taking this bracket out the bag, we need to orientate it so that the bump is actually facing up. Now we place this down and get our original bolts. Unless like me, you've changed them for a different colour. Screw the first bolt in, and then after this, get the washer and the screw, put it in, and hand tighten the bolt underneath. This is what it will look like for you, but for me, I'll go from this to this. Now let's do the other side. Unscrew it, and now take this off, and make sure with this side, be careful with the wires so you don't snag them or rupture them. Now get your 10mm breaker bar or torque wrench and break this bolt. Once it's out, put in the bracket, make sure the bump's facing up, and put in the washer or the previous bolt. Next, place the included washer and screw, and now hand tighten the bolt underneath. Now we would use the 10mm to tighten the original bolt, but for me, we're using the Allen key to tighten this first bolt, and then like the previous one, we use the Allen key again whilst holding the bolt in order to make the secondary fitting tight. Now we go up to the base of the hood, and we greet with these 2 bolts. We're going to be taking out the top one and fitting it with the gas strut here, and making sure this part is facing outwards, just like so. Spray it with some WD-40 because these are very difficult 10mm bolts to get out. Now use the breaker bar to break this bolt free, and then take it off with another 10mm socket. Nice, we got it out. Next on the list is to install the bonnet strut. Remember, the black piece faces outwards and at the top. If we swivel this round, we can see there's an R. Even though this is technically on the left hand side of the engine bay, if we stand up in front of the car and face the engine bay, this R means look on your right hand side, so this, from that perspective, is actually on the right. With our Allen key, tighten it up to a place where we can actually still swivel the gas bonnet round to its normal place, and then continue using the Allen key to tighten this up. Make sure to do the other side as well. At the other end of the gas bonnet strut, we've got this pin. Now we need to take it out from the top, bend it around, and then push it upwards, and this is the pin out. Now with the pin out, we have to balance the hood on our shoulder while we connect the ball joint. Now with the ball joint in, get the pin back and put it the same way we got it out. In through the top, and then wrap it around. This side installed, still balancing, connect the other strut.
So thank you guys for watching. This has been MotorAlli. We installed the gas bonnet struts from Tactical Racing. Used WAC 5 to get a cheeky little discount off. Right. I want to warn you, with the 10mm bolts, especially on the SC model, they are quite malleable. So I have actually branched one side after trying it. So I had to go out and buy a breaker bar or a torque wrench. I mean, those torque wrenches are a lifesaver. You put both of them in for it to stay up properly, because you know the weight is distributed in each side properly. So yeah, I will get the other one in off camera because of the grant, so I'm going to drill it out, you know, all that stuff. But so far, it's actually really cool. The gas bonnet struts I highly recommend them. Go to Tactical Racing once again and use WAC 5 for cheeky 5% discount off Tactical Racing, the whole store. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something today. I hope you guys found this a bit useful. That's what I try to do. This is MotorAlli, and I'll see you guys in another video. WAC 5.